Let's go now to line 4, which is John from Chuluota. John, you're on News Talk WDBO. Go ahead.
Yes, I'm reviewing some of your booklets here that you sent to me recently.
All right.
And the first question is on probate. The summary administration.
All right.
Is it still $75,000 for the limit on summary?
Summary administration is an abbreviated probate proceeding that can be used under certain circumstances. The advantage is that it's quicker and it's less expensive. It is available when the decedent, the value of their estate is under $75,000, excluding the home. So the home plus less than $75,000, and there's no creditors, doctors, hospitals, credit cards.
Okay. Next question is on what to do when a loved one dies. I don't understand the requirement for notify the newspaper with obituary information.
Well, there's
what's the purpose for that?
Well, I'm saying most people notify the newspaper and put an obituary in when their loved one passes away. There's no law that requires that, John.
Oh, okay, that's what I wanted to know. I haven't done that yet. I plan on doing it later.
Okay.
Next question was obtain a written valuation of the decedent's assets. Who do you obtain that valuation from?
So, John, so I want to bring the listeners up to speed here, if we could. So,
fine. Mm-hmm.
So John is talking about some booklets that I have prepared at my office, and we have several booklets. If you want to get one that we happen to be talking about right now, you can call or text CHRISSY at 407-808-8398. The booklet he's talking about is What to Do When a Loved One Dies. It is a list that tells you things that you need to do. Most of those things you can do by yourself. Some of those things you might need to hire a lawyer for. One of those things is obtain written valuation of assets for step-up basis. So what I'm saying is this. The step-up basis is a good thing within the Internal Revenue Code. It says that when, for example, mom passes away and her home is worth $200,000 and the children inherit mom's home, their basis for capital gains tax purposes is the value at the date of mom's death. Mom dies, home was worth $200,000. They sell it for $200,000. They will pay absolutely no capital gains taxes. If the kid said, you know what, we're not going to sell mom's home right away, we're going to own it for a few years and rent it out, then they would want to get an appraisal done so that when they do sell it a few years down the road, they can prove to the IRS what it was worth when mom died. So mom dies, it's worth $200,000. They hold on to the home for a few years. They sell it for $250,000. The kids will then pay capital gains taxes on their $50,000 profit. Now, if you'd like to get this booklet, What to Do When a Loved One Passes Away, or any of our legal booklets, you can call or text CHRISSY anytime at 407-808-8398. Now, that very issue, by the way, is one that we talk about as part of my wills, trusts, and avoiding probate workshop. That next workshop is Thursday, May 16th. It happens during the lunch hour. If you'd like to come to that wills, trusts, and avoiding probate workshop, you call or text CHRISSY anytime, 407-808-8398. Again, my workshop, Wills, Trusts, and Avoiding Probate, Thursday, May 16th during the lunch hour. You want to reserve your seat, call or text CHRISSY, 407-808-8398.